Alright everybody, today I need to replace the battery on my 2014 Dodge Avenger. Yeah, so we're going to try to do this together. Let's see what we got. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open it up. And, whoa, shit. Where's the battery at? Yeah. The battery on the 2014 Dodge Avenger, in order to get to it, you have to remove the front wheel, the wheel well, and a bunch of other shit to get to it. And it really pisses me off. I hate Dodge, but I'll show you as we go. Here we go. Alright, so I jacked it up and took the tire off. Now, the battery is behind this guy. So we have to remove that screw and that screw. And if memory serves me, we got to pop a few of these out so we can get that out. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out and see what happens. I'll get right back to you. Alright, for these guys here, I'm going to use a 10mm. So yeah, we have to remove this whole thing here. You're going to have to pop these guys out. Remove them. And then you got these screws, you got to remove those just to get all that off. So alright, I got all that shit off, and now there's the battery. Gotta release this and then get up in there and pull those off and then install the new one. Gosh. Alright, so that sucked really bad. I did get the battery out, get the new one in. It's not an easy job. I mean, it should be, but it seemed like every bolt I had to loosen wasn't standard, and just getting it in there and then getting the cables back on the battery terminal and tightening them was a feat. Oh God, I hate them. I hate them. Anyways, if you have any questions, I couldn't really show you everything that I did because I had to delete it because there was a lot of cussing and punching, and it was kind of unbecoming of me. So if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to help. I've done this a couple times. Yeah, again, F Dodge. Have a good day. Bye bye. Like, subscribe.
Hey.